Hello, Marshalls. For today's Mindful Monday, I wanted to share with you a very easy to make breathing tool. All you need one chenille stick and 6 colored beads. Now, I chose a pattern in beads and I'll show you why. One is for breathing in and one is for breathing out, but you do not have to choose just a pattern if you don't want to. Now, the very first step is to take one end and make a loop. And this creates almost like a bubble wand. We would dip it into the bubbles but it's not going to be that. Then we start to load our beads on, and Mrs. Tarrant is doing green and purple, green, and you guessed it, what comes next? Purple, green, purple, which I know you smarties know that is an A-B pattern. Then you're going to just create the exact same type of loop at the other end. So here we have it, and we're going to take all of our beads to one end, and then with one bead you breathe in, and the next bead you're going to breathe out. Big breaths. Remember, when we take a nice deep breath, it is going all the way down into our tummies. So here we go. And immediately my body feels more calm. My mind, my thinking part of my mind is activated, and I am calm and ready to learn, or calm and ready to do my best thinking. Let me know if you end up making one. I'd love to hear about it. Have a great day.